Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. Today we are looking at common essay mistakes that can lower your score even if your grammar is good. You'll learn how to fix them, improve your structure, and see real examples along the way. Let's get started. Number 1 is overgeneralization with the words always, everyone, and never. So the problem is, using the words like everyone or always makes your writing sound less clear and not very academic. Let's see an example for it.
All teenagers are addicted to social media and never read books anymore.
So as you can see, the problem here is all and never are too strong and easily challenged. It also sounds opinionated and not factual. We can change the statement to a better version.
Many teenagers spend a significant amount of time on social media, which can reduce the time they dedicate to reading.
So instead of those words, you can use words like many, some, often, or may to make your statements more balanced. Also, avoid words such as everyone, always, or never, as they are too absolute and can weaken your argument. Number 2 is lack of specific examples. So the problem here is ideas without examples are vague and unconvincing. Let's see an example for it.
Technology has changed education a lot.
Okay, but how? This is a better version.
For example, platforms like Zoom and Google Classroom have enabled students to attend live classes from home during the pandemic, ensuring continuity in education.
So keep in mind to use concrete examples like real-life situations, studies, or data, and use phrases like for example or for instance. Number 3 is poor coherence and organization. So the problem here is jumping from one idea to another without clear transition makes your writing confusing. Let's see an example.
People should exercise daily. Also, fast food is unhealthy. Technology makes people lazy.
So as you can see, it doesn't have a clear flow. Let's see the improved version.
One major reason for the rise in obesity is a sedentary lifestyle. People spend hours sitting at desks or using digital devices. Additionally, the easy availability of fast food contributes to unhealthy eating habits. Therefore, regular exercise is essential to counteract these effects.
Keep these tips on your mind. Use linking words like firstly, in addition, moreover, on the other hand, and as a result. Also note that one paragraph equals to one main idea, not too many ideas. Also, start with a topic sentence and expand it logically. Number 4 is repetition and redundancy. The problem here is repeating the same ideas or using too many words weakens your writing. Let's see an example.
In my opinion, I think that the government should provide free healthcare to all citizens because I believe it's necessary for people to get healthcare without paying money.
The better version is,
in my opinion, the government should provide free healthcare to ensure all citizens have access to essential medical services.
So, avoid saying the same thing twice, like I think and in my opinion. Use precise vocabulary, remove repeated ideas or unnecessary words, and use clear and direct sentences to make your point. And number 5, weak thesis statements and conclusions. A weak thesis or weak conclusion makes your essay forgettable or unclear. Let's see an example for a weak thesis.
This essay will talk about pollution.
Too vague. A stronger thesis could be something like this.
This essay argues that government regulations and individual responsibility are both essential in reducing urban air pollution.
Now let's see some examples for a weak conclusion and a strong conclusion.
In conclusion, I have discussed both sides of the topic. That's all I have to say about this issue. In conclusion, by enforcing environmental laws and encouraging eco-friendly habits, Both authorities and individuals can play a crucial role in combating pollution.
So always remember, in thesis, clearly state your position, plus mention the main points. And for conclusion, restate your key ideas in a fresh way and do not add any new ideas. Moving forward, if you want to write an essay, be aware of these mistakes: overgeneralizing, not giving examples, poor coherence, repetition, and weak thesis or conclusion. If you fix these issues, your writing will immediately sound more academic, more persuasive, and more organized. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you in the next lesson.